Hi there, I'm Richard Groner. I am your instructor for Comm 104 Workplace Communication. And I wanted to make a short video just to say hello and kind of let you know what to expect in class for the first 2 weeks. As you know, due to the coronavirus pandemic, we are starting up the entire campus on virtual mode, even though classes were originally set up for face-to-face. That means at least until the 1st of February, we're going to conduct this through Zoom. And then with the chancellor will make a decision at the end of January about whether we're going to stay virtual or we're going to go back on campus. I have no idea which way we're going to go, but I wanted to at least let you know what's going to happen for the first 2 weeks. So we were originally scheduled to have class from 8 until 10:50 on Tuesday and Thursday mornings. Now, since we're virtual, that same time slot still belongs to this class, but rather than meeting at 8 o'clock, we're going to meet at 9:30. The reasoning for that is a couple of reasons. One is the college has asked that we do not do 3-hour lectures on Zoom whenever it's possible because it takes up too much bandwidth for a lot of people. Not everybody has a great internet connection. Some people are having to share their computers with others. Bandwidth, there's all kinds of reasons to avoid 3 hours. Plus, people just can't do this in a virtual format for 3 hours. So that's one of the reasons. The other reason is it's easier to break it up and do it in chunks this way. So what we're going to do is meet on Zoom every Tuesday and Thursday for the first 2 weeks at 9:30. You will, when you get access to the course, go into Canvas and look at the course, and down near the bottom you will see a section, there's lines above and below it, where the link to the course is. So what you will have to do is just go into the front page of the class, click on that link, you'll have to type in, it's asking for a passcode. The passcode is workplace, all one word, and then it will let you into the classroom. We will meet at 9:30. Classes will run roughly an hour to an hour and a half at a time for those two sections. And then because normally there's 3 hours there will also be offline lectures. So what that means is the 9:30 Tuesday, Thursday lecture will be live. The other lectures will be recorded. So I'll record those during the week, post them, and I'll go through all this on Tuesday for our first class about how to access it and how to get around and all that stuff. But mainly you just need to know that we are meeting at 9:30 on Tuesday and Thursday on Zoom. Just go into the login page, click where the link says to go to the classroom, and there'll be a link, and then you'll have to remember to put the passcode workplace, and I think it's capital W. And then that will let you into the class, and we will conduct virtually the first 2 weeks of class. Also, just quickly, to get a hold of me, the best way to get a hold of me is email. So if you have questions before the class starts or even after, email is the best way to get a hold of me because I check my email all the time. We are not on campus either. There is almost nobody on campus right now, so I'm not holding office hours on campus. As you will see when you log into the class, I do have virtual office hours set up, and we'll talk about that on Tuesday, how that works as well. And I will also walk through the course and how it's set up on Canvas. I do rely on Canvas a lot, and especially now that this is virtual. And then we will also go over some of the things you need to know for assignments and the text and all that stuff. I will tell you that for the textbook for this course, you don't need to buy anything. You don't need to worry about the book. The book is embedded in the course. There will be links to the chapters for each week on the login page for the course, and this will make more sense once you get access to Canvas and can log in. And then all the reading, everything is done online, so you don't have to spend any more money on this class. So that's really it in a nutshell. I look forward to seeing you guys at 9:30 Tuesday morning. We'll log in, we'll get started. Tuesday morning's class will probably take a little more than an hour. We'll overview the course, we'll talk about what's coming up, and we'll do a little bit of getting into the actual course material. but then we'll probably follow that up with an offline lecture digging more into the course material, and then of course we'll have our regular class on Thursday. So that's it. I hope you have a great weekend. I'm really looking forward to meeting you all on Tuesday, and I'll see you at 9:30. Thanks.